What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB, back in the place to be. Oh yeah. I'm over here doing some body work on that El Dorado. As you can see, I got most of it done already now. Most of the boy done. Doing a little priming, find little imperfections in the little body. Right now, you can see I took the marker and mark where I need to fill in at. It's a little small stuff. Do a little, I gotta do some glaze putty, that's it. Little small glaze putty holes. Same time, got that second skin in there, man. Got the trunk second skinned out. As you can see. Second skin, where the box at? I'm gonna put something behind the license plates. Stick something right around this. Next, the sounds will be getting installed. Also got to cut a porthole up there. Oh yeah. So alright, YouTube, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Knocking this body work out. Alright, YouTube. Peace and love.